happy with it. We then negotiate with your creditors for you to pay an amount you can afford each month, and could actually write off a large amount of what you owe. Because we don't get paid commission, you can be sure that we'll advise the best possible solution for you. So, get out of the red and into the black with Debt Matters. Call 0800 121 8247 or visit debtmatters.co.uk. Debt Matters. Do something about it. Subject to acceptance. Conditions apply. See debtmatters.co.uk for details.
Everyone's celebrating because the highly anticipated new Morrison's at Foss Island, York is opening this autumn. And when the doors open, we're going to need a strong team of staff across all.
Marbury Park, he said. Well, just have to pick a BMW. Pick a BMW up here before it's flooded.
Every single house along here is getting a big wave flooding it, mate.
Right.
It's not good, is it? It's going far too fast. Come down this junction here, you won't get through.
Right, it's first on the left, Maybury Park.
This mini roundabout here?
Yeah, on the left here, yeah.
You won't get down there.
Oh, yeah.
What are you trying to do? Pick a car up or?
He's got a brand new BM sat on the drive, just going to be flooded.
It's a waste of time trying to get there. There's that many cars that are like that.
Right. I know he's been out and just got sandbags.
We've been told that no cars through here.
Alright.
We're getting so much from residents in that where it creates waves like that. We're supposed to not let anyone through here at all.
Right.
And it gets worse around that corner, a lot worse.
Is it? I'll ring him now and tell him he's going to...
Tell him you've been stopped by us.
Yeah,
he's got an argument with it. We're all stood there.
Yeah, he's got to float, isn't he?